You want to see the look I did today? Let me give you the quick down and dirty on it. So today I went with a little bit of a more classic smoky eye look, if that makes sense to you. So here are the colors that I used. I used the Sandstone Pearl Shimmer. I used the Shell Glitter, Mocha Java in the Matte. I used the Garnet and the Onyx. And then in addition to those colors, I did line my eyes with the black pencil. So here's the black pencil. It's a retractable pencil. All of these are water resistant, long wearing, anti-aging treatment to it. I did the Silver Rose blush or powder on the cheek area, and it has a really gorgeous glitter to it. That's my personal one, so excuse it, it's in a bad condition visually, but that gives you that highlight and a little bit of color on the cheeks with some glitter. And then the pink champagne on the lips. So pink champagne on the lips. This is the quick and simple version, but I just finished a longer version, which is about 9 minutes, but there's a lot of tips and tricks in that one. So short version, long version. And check out these earrings that Plaza Studio has also. Aren't they beautiful? The rundown on those are also on the longer version. So quick and simple. You can find us here. You can watch the longer version if you want more information, and definitely join us on the Plaza Studio Health and Beauty group on Facebook, or join us on social media. We're most active on Instagram and Facebook. All right. Thank you guys. And I hope you have also subscribed to our YouTube channel. Have a great day.